may mga OFW pa rin na hindi naiintindihan yung deduction sa sahod po nila. And I hope this time, guys, I will make it short and very clear. Hindi short, I think it will not be short, guys. I will make it sure na it's clear explanation kasi may nagtatanong po sa akin about sa payslip nila. Nagbabayad sila, nakalagay yung health insurance, pension, tapos sa baba meron pang Sakai Hoken na nakalagay. Well, anyway, this is the explanation. Please makinig kayong mabuti. Para mabilis po maintindihan, gagawa po ako ng flow ng Sakai Hoken po natin dito sa Japan. Now, first thing is, magsa-start tayo sa taas, guys. Tinatawag po itong Sakai Hoken in a broad definition. Ibig sabihin, malaki yung definition. That's the first one. Now, after this one, yung flow po is divided into two. First, ito po yung Sakai Hoken in a narrow definition. Narrow means semai, semai. Yung sa taas is broad. Semai, that's the first one. And the second dissection is yung Rodo Hoken. Ibig sabihin, Rodo means labor, and then Hoken means insurance. That is labor insurance. Again, from the top, this is Sakai Hoken in a broader definition. Then, this dissected into two parts. Sakai Hoken, narrow definition. And the second one is Rodo Hoken, which is labor insurance. That's the two. Now, after, guys, yung pinakababa nito is 5 po yan. 5. Magsa-start po tayo sa Sakai Hoken yan. Health insurance po natin. Pangalawa, pension po natin. Pangatlo, yung Kaigo Hoken po natin. Sa mga 40 years old and above po, nagbabayad na po kayo nito. Pang-apat po is yung Koyo Hoken, which is employment insurance po natin. Yung panglima is Rosai Hoken. Ito po yung pag-example, nagkasakit tayo sa trabaho or na-aksidente tayo, ito po yung Hoken po natin. That's the 5 branches sa baba po. Ngayon, saan ba nabilong yung 5 to? Yung first 3, guys, ito yung sa first 3 po natin, which is health insurance, pension, at saka Kaigo Hoken, belong po siya sa Sakai Hoken in a narrow definition. Yung natirang dalawa, which is yung Koyo Hoken, employment insurance, tapos yung emergency insurance or yung Rosai Hoken po natin, belong po siya sa labor insurance. That's the 5 mga deductions sa sahod po natin. This is the whole picture of Sakai Hoken po natin. So, ibig sabihin po, guys, sa payslip po ninyo, may nakalagay po na health insurance, pension. Kung meron na kayong Kaigo, nakalagay din yun. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, guys, kasi yung nakalagay sa baba ng pension ninyo na Sakai Hoken, ibig sabihin, that is just a total of these 3 deductions. So, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi may anong sa akin nagbayad na siya ng 3, pero may nagbayad din siya ng Sakai Hoken. You compute these 3, same lang ng amount ng Sakai Hoken na dinideduct sa sahod po ninyo. So, hindi po siya double deduction. That is just a total amount of Sakai Hoken, the narrow definition. That's it. So sana po with this video na iintindihan nyo na kung ano yung patakaran sa Sakai Hoken natin dito sa Japan as a worker. And please make sure to share to your friends para maintindihan nila. And please repost and don't forget to share and like, guys, para marami pong makakaalam sa Sakai Hoken na to. 今日も一日頑張りましょう。バイバイ。さよなら。